Stocks, cryptocurrency, especially Shiba Inu coin. I mean, you name it, and the volatility is absolutely ramping up. Now, guys, you might be wondering why things are so volatile lately and when will this end? Look, I'm actually optimistic about today and a potential bottom. Now, let me say that with all clarity, a potential bottom based on what the Federal Reserve announces later on today. So in this video, I want to discuss some of the possible outcomes of the interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve here in the United States today and how it could affect not only Shiba Inu coin, not only crypto, stocks as well, literally everything across the board. We could, emphasis on the could, we could be in for the rotation back from a risk-off scenario into a risk-on if everything works out great. Let's talk about why, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And then you guys get crypto exclusive exchanges, each with their own rewards down there as well. But, you know, let's talk about the Federal Reserve interest rate announcement later on today. It is going to be taking place at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, that is when they will announce interest rates. We'll talk about expectations, and we'll talk about, you know, how the market could react and how Shiba Inu coin could react specifically. And then we're going to talk about the Federal Reserve press conference because, you know, even if we meet expectations, we could get some clarity during that press conference. Now, Shiba Inu coin, you guys know this by now, is an extremely volatile asset. It is in the cryptocurrency class, and even then, crypto being one of the most volatile, one of the newest, one of the most risky assets that are out there, and then on top of that, you've got Shiba Inu coin, sitting on top of millions of percents of gains, one of the brand new cryptocurrencies that just hit the market in the last year and a half, and still, you know, although it is innovating, the fact that it is new lends to its riskiness. Now, what happens in times of what we're seeing right now? High inflation, high interest rates. People shuffle, you guys know this by now, from risk-on assets like Shiba Inu coin and crypto to risk-off assets like bonds, bank accounts, and so on. We've seen the stock market go down. We've seen the crypto market go down. And we know that the price of Shiba Inu coin is down, right? We get this. So why am I optimistic about later on today? Now, I fully believe that the market, stock, crypto, and otherwise has priced in a 50 basis point increase in interest rates. That means a 0.5% increase in interest rates. The market has priced in, Shiba Inu coin's price is priced in an aggressive move by the U.S. Federal Reserve, meaning increasing interest rates at a faster than expected pace. Because we've seen such a decline in prices so far, and because we've seen so many investors leave risk on and flock to risk off assets, you know, these expectations are out there. Now, let's say the Federal Reserve comes out at 2 o'clock and they announce a 50 basis point increase. With all of the talk that we have been hearing about that, it would meet market expectations. And at the minimum, with expectations being met, investors should be satisfied. Shiba Inu coin, at a minimum, should not experience the volatility and should not experience further declines based on the fact that fear surrounding interest rates has been one of the major factors driving the price of the market, driving the price of Shiba Inu coin lower over the last 6 months. Now, let's take it another step further. Let's say the Federal Reserve says, you know what, if inflation might not be as bad as we expected, or inflation might not be, spiraling out of control. We're going to raise the interest rates by 25 basis points. In this scenario, I would expect the stock market, I would expect the crypto market, and I would expect Shiba Inu coin to react extremely positively because this indicates logically, like you have to remember that investors aren't always logical. Sometimes they're emotional. But this would indicate that inflation isn't as bad as it seems. and the Federal Reserve thinks that they have their hands around it. If that's the case, a logical thinker would expect prices of riskier assets to start soaring again because investors are no longer concerned with inflation running wild. Now, that's only at the 2 o'clock meeting for interest rates. Let's talk about what we could expect from the Federal Reserve press conference at 2:30 and why this could absolutely not only see a market bottom for the stocks, market bottom for crypto, but a market bottom for Shiba Inu Coin as well. You know, with such a strong focus lately on inflation and interest rate, it is by far, you got Russia out there, you've got COVID restrictions in China, you've got supply chain upsets, you've got all of these things kind of working together, but the interest rates and inflation, by far, one of the major factors that is driving the market and driving Shiba Inu Coin lower over the last, I don't know, half a year at this point. If Jerome Powell comes out and says all of their analysts' expectations point to peak inflation, meaning inflation has reached its high and now it is turning back to the downside, it will start to stair-step its way back down and it will no longer continue accelerating out of control. This is extremely bullish because this not only indicates that inflation is under control, this not only indicates that the, aggression on raising interest rates can subside, and this not only indicates all of that, but it indicates that companies can start earning more as well because that inflation is now going to start falling back down. So that would lead to a scenario where we have declining inflation, declining interest rates, and rising earnings. That is a perfect bull market scenario for stocks, for risky assets like crypto, and you guessed it, absolutely for Shiba Inu Coin. Guys, it sucks, right? It sucks to watch the market fall the way we have been watching it fall. But I'm going to tell you, everybody's getting eager. You're sitting in bonds and you're receiving 1% a year. It's nice to have safe gains, but everybody's itching for major market rebounds. And when that happens, when the money starts flowing back in, because think about it, you know, the prices are going down, yes, but that's because money is flowing out of Shiba Inu Coin, out of crypto, out of stocks, and into bonds and bank accounts and so on. When it starts flowing back in and the gains start rising and Shiba Inu Coin starts to moon, it's not only going to be, you know, this great idea where it starts increasing in price. That emotion of I need gains is going to kick back in. And when you look at Shiba Inu Coin as one of the most promising gainers on the market, it is going to be epic. FOMO will definitely take precedence, and Shiba Inu Coin, knowing what it's done in the past and knowing what it's capable of in the future, should see astronomical gains. Now guys, I'm hoping for great news coming out of the Federal Reserve. I have positive expectations for them simply because of, you know, how much the market is already expecting and how much the market is already priced into it. But I want to know what you guys think, because clearly the overall market is judging the price of Shiba Inu Coin right now. I want to know what you guys are expecting for the Federal Reserve later today. Let me know in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will bind at ShibaInuCrypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.